It is a privilege to have the opportunity to serve as the president of the State Bar of Wisconsin. But to me, there is no greater privilege than to be a lawyer. And that's the message that I want to give today. As it relates to my vision of the State Bar, I believe, as with any occupation, or in our case, any profession, those who are satisfied with the profession they have chosen are those that have pride in that profession. I'm really glad I'm a lawyer, and I'm really proud to be. I've had a really satisfying career, and from my standpoint, it's still got a long ways to go. So how do we achieve satisfaction and pride in our profession? I think it absolutely positively starts by fostering the strongest relationship possible with our 24,000 members. But I think one of the most important things, one of the biggest opportunities it gives all of us to do is the opportunity to serve. And so there is absolutely no way that the State Bar is going to mean all things to all lawyers. That would be impossible. But I think if all lawyers look hard enough, they can find some way in the State Bar that they can participate, because we've got a ton of ways you can, and we're always looking for volunteers. As far as what's ahead in the upcoming year, I'm referring to this as new and continuing initiatives. We've got a diversity task force that's starting up. It's going to be chaired by Milwaukee Circuit Judge Carl Ashley, and has been given a free hand to pick whoever he wants to serve with him on that task force, and look forward to getting his report sometime before the end of the fiscal year. We had our first ever Leadership Development Summit this last March. It was limited to young lawyers. They had to be nominated. I think we had about 60 to 75 nominations. We only had slots for 24 of those. But participated in that, was half-a-day training. Absolutely fantastic, the amount of enthusiasm that they showed. We followed up with the 24. 18 indicated they wanted to be on committees. We placed 15 already, and I guarantee you we're going to place the remaining 3. Access to justice. I think one of the ways that a legal system is judged is by how well do we provide representation for those who can least afford it. Something that has started up this last year that's really going to get going full bore this year is Our Courts Wisconsin, where we're borrowing a program, or basing a program based upon what's done in the state of Colorado, and sending out speakers to various civic groups and schools, etc., to actually explain what it is that lawyers do, what courts do, etc. In 2014, the State Bar of Wisconsin is hosting the National High School Mock Trial Tournament. And that is a fantastic opportunity for us and a fantastic honor. I've got a captive room full of lawyers. We need a lot of volunteers. We need you to judge, etc. So please answer the call when it comes out to you. And finally, we're returning to convention format in 2014. We had a presentation on that today at the Board of Governors meeting. It's going to be in Lake Geneva. And it's going to provide quality programming. It's also going to have a lot of fun events, and hopefully get back to the days where lawyers, no matter how long they've been out of law school, get together once a year to reconnect. So all these initiatives are going to require the collaboration of State Bar members, such as ourselves, as well as State Bar management and staff. All of these are for the betterment of our legal profession. Each of these efforts, no matter what you decide to choose to participate in, will give you more satisfaction in the profession, and all of these efforts will collectively make us proud to be lawyers. And this pride in our profession works to the benefit of all the clients that we serve. So I am most grateful for this opportunity. I want to thank you all for that, and I look forward to working with each and every one of you in the coming year. Thank you very much.